Good afternoon, first grade scholars, and welcome to today's science lesson. Over the past couple of weeks, we have been discussing shadows. Let's review. Light can only travel in a straight line. Case in point are two examples: the ceiling light, which the light is traveling in a downward direction in a straight line, and the flashlight, which the light is traveling to our right in a straight line. Objects can sometimes block light, making it where the light is unable to pass through the object. And as a direct reflection of this, what do we make, boys and girls? Yes, when this happens, a dark area around the object is created. This is called a shadow. Case in point are two examples: the iron gate and the little girl who's having fun chasing her shadow. Both living and non living things can make shadows. From our two previous examples of the little girl and the iron gate, and two more examples of the tree and the window. Shadows change throughout the day depending on where the sun is at in the sky. Shadows are longest in the early morning and late afternoon. Around midday, shadows are much shorter since the sun is directly overhead. So remember, boys and girls, depending upon where the sun is located, shadows can be longer or they could be shorter. If an object moves, so does its shadow. And remember the previous example of the little girl, who, as she was moving, her shadow was moving also. Besides the sun, you can use other forms of light, like a flashlight or a lamp. You can use these objects to make shadows. The size of a shadow depends on the angle and distance of the light. If the light source is closer, the shadow will be bigger. If the light source is further away, the shadow will be smaller. Not all objects will create a shadow. Only things that are opaque or translucent will make a shadow. If things are transparent, the light is able to pass straight through the object. And remember those previous examples of transparent objects: the glass jar, the magnifying glass, or the window. Examples of translucent objects: the clouds, the lamp, and sunglasses. And remember, boys and girls, transparent objects, the light goes all the way through. Translucent objects, the light goes through a little bit. And opaque objects, the boy, the block, and the tree, no light goes through these objects at all. So remember the difference between the three examples. And remember, in a previous science assignment, you had to give examples of transparent objects, translucent objects, and opaque objects. Now, you will complete a Shadows exit ticket showing your comprehension and level of understanding. of our lesson on shadows. Remember, boys and girls, when you have finished, make sure you submit for grading. And all work will be due by this coming Friday, December 11th, 2020, by 11:59 p.m. And just as a reminder, school will be closed for students Friday, December 11th. So you only have 4 days of instruction this week. Keep up the great work, scholars, and we shall see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.